stood here yesterday. That was several hours after the polders had been flooded, and if I look at it from here, it seems to me as there is more water in it, although I think that is because the water's had a far greater chance to actually get in. And now, as far as flooding of Wrocław is concerned, I don't think we've got a great deal to worry about there. Now, I noticed that in this field, or shall I say polder, or shall I now say lake, there's even a couple of swans. I can't see them now, I saw them just before I started speaking. Now, this is about 3 kilometers from the Odra river, but it needs to be pointed out that you can see what the tree line is over there. I was down there yesterday and it was dry, so nothing to worry about there. So we've got these two areas here which are parts of the road which are submerged. This bit here is not so bad as the other bits, deeper. It came up to like my calf sort of thing, 15 centimeters, something like that. Here, I don't suppose much more than about 10 maybe, if that. Anyway, so this is the situation on day 2. The worry that was before has gone. I think people are glad it's happened like this. Although the farmers won't be too pleased, because they'll have to find out if they can grow anything next year. So, thanks for watching.